Outside those doors is the world of political correctness. Inside these doors is the world of reality. Why do I say that? I cannot teach a politically correct workshop or keynote, because if I were to do that, that means I would psychically have to read every single one of your minds, know every single thing that's happened in your lives, so I don't say something that offends you. Is that anywhere near remotely possible? No. Awesome. Welcome to reality. Great. Okay, so no, I say that because there's some people that live in the world that there are kids. Like, how many of you have kids that push your buttons? Got it. Can somebody show me their button? Keep it PG-13. Where are your buttons? Not this one. That's a button. I don't see a button. I see a forehead. Are you saying that these buttons are imaginary? So why would you create imaginary buttons for people to push? Oh, I'm sorry. I said you create. Yeah, there's responsibility